Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing unboxing of this box. What's inside this box? It's a JBL karaoke that I just bought a couple days ago, maybe 5-6 days ago, through eBay, and they had a promotion on it, $129. And this one does come with it is a refurbished. However, it does come with a 2 years warranty through Allstate. So we're gonna unbox it and see what's inside the box, and we're gonna do like a demo, and then I'll give you my thoughts on the JBL itself. So it's the box. So microphone, and I guess this is the power cord and speaker itself. Furthermore, breakdown, we got the power cord and we got the strap so you can carry the speaker, the batteries for the microphone, and the manual, the instructions. So even though it says it's refurbished, but to me it looks like pretty darn like brand new. So are there any scratches on the microphone itself? Even though it says it's refurbished, I don't see a thing. It still has a sticker on this one right here too, and like I said, it's like brand new. So let's install the battery. So this uses a 2 AA batteries, and thank God it's included, you know. Right, so put the speaker, microphone away, and the power cord. Usually, due to regulations, manufacturers don't charge the speaker all the way up to 100%. So, and this is the speaker. It says party box on the go. And again, I don't see any sign of. So we're looking at this one. We got the bass boost, and then we got I got the external microphone here, and you can change the gain. And then we got the volume, I guess, and the play button, and with the mic control, the guitar, the bass, and the treble, and the echo. And over here we got the power button. Then it has the guitar input and the gain. Here it has the 2 metal ring for us to put on the. Check this out. All right. How do you do it? There we go. The other one to the other one. There we go. And then you carry it. So this is the back end of it. So this one has, this is where you put in the cord, and it goes straight to the outlet, the power outlet, and this is USB type A. And this one looks like, is that like some kind of input there that we can use, right? And let's power this thing on, and we'll see. All right, so we hear some noise there, and the status bar is like 4 dots out of 5. All right, so let's connect this to. All right, so we're gonna try to connect this through Bluetooth. Let's power it up. Is it? Okay, it's on. All right, so now we just click the Bluetooth button. All right, and then on my iPad, it pops up right away. And it should connect, like, it should tell you it's connected. All right, so it's connected. So now let's play some non-copyrighted songs. None. All right, so I'll just pick a random one. So the best non-copyright now viral TikTok remix. All right, so I'm gonna go to the other side so you guys can see. Let's turn on the bass. Volume. When I turn it on, this is the volume that I turn it on with, right? So now we're gonna lower a little bit. So lower all the way. So there's a indicator bar in the front that it tells you where the volume level is at. So see, very minimal, right? None. So I'm gonna turn it on. So I'm pretty sure right now it's gonna be really loud, but we're gonna check it out. See, this is only, I turned it a little bit over the middle section, like little half, and it's already cranking. By cranking, I mean like you can hear it. All right, so I do see a little bit of the imperfections here, guys. So I don't know, maybe it doesn't matter, but I don't know if you can tell. This part right here is sticking out. It should be lined up like really flat, like on this side right here. But if we drag along, we can see that it's sticking up. But I don't think that's a major issue, okay? Maybe it's glue or something. But again, this is, right now it's pretty early for me to turn. It's only what, like 9 o'clock in California, and Sunday, so people are sleeping. I don't want to wake up my neighbor, but I'm pretty sure this they're gonna be rocking really, really loud. And for $129 so far, I really like it. And you know, JBL's been around for a long time. I'm actually running the JBL S412 series, studio series, that built-in amplifier for my front home theater system. I sold my clips already, but yeah. So, and that is, everything was just set to in the middle, right? At the bass, it's just right in the middle as well too. Treble, echo, yeah. But we're gonna check it out on with the karaoke. All right, so now let's see. We're gonna turn on the mic, and it's on. It's automatically set to channel 3. So let's see if you guys can hear me. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Something's wrong. All right, guys. So to connect the microphone, you turn off the speaker, power back on, and then just turn on the microphone, and it automatically connects. So this is what it sounds like with the microphone. So as you can see, there's a little bit of the LED lights or display. I'll show you the color. Pretty fancy, pretty nice. And you can set the echo to however you want, whatever your level you're comfortable, the bass and everything. But right now, we're gonna turn on the karaoke and we're gonna test it. And you guys let me know if you like it or not. All right, so since I can't find non-copyrighted karaoke songs, I'm just gonna sing whatever, okay? Say you will be mine. I just keep missing you tonight. Baby, don't matter just how hard I try. I don't wanna be alone tonight. Won't you be my star tonight? Won't you be my guiding light? Won't you be my star tonight? I need you more than your life. So, what do you guys think? So I think this here will be great for meetup gatherings if you're on like on the go. Because basically it does what the title says. So if you're on the beach, in the park, doing picnic, if you're doing camping as well. The fact that this thing, it's not that heavy, and it comes with a strap. You can take it anywhere you want to take it, you know what I mean? And as usual, if you play with this thing and you charge it up to 100%, and when connecting it to the power source, that bass will be a lot more, and you can feel it. But yeah, of course, when you run it on batteries, of course, it's not going to be as strong, as powerful. But for the money, I think it's really worth it. I myself like it. Other than the imperfections of the, I don't know how they play when they put it together. But other than that, for $129, and you get a peace of mind for 2 years of warranty. So I think that's a pretty good deal, right? Because I checked on Facebook Marketplace and any other site as well too, and I don't think you can find anything cheaper. Maybe you do, but once in a blue moon. But this one here, you're buying it on eBay. You're buying it straight from JBL. You know what I mean? So yeah, I think I would, if you ask me if I would recommend this to my viewers, yeah, of course, 100%. And again, this is not a sponsored video. I actually spent my own money with this. And that's usually the case. But if there's a sponsors, then I would let you guys know. But as far as everything so far with this little machines, I really like it. And I used to own like JBL Charge 5. And that one is awesome too. That one you can take it anywhere with you. It's a little bit smaller, you know. But this one, karaoke wise, all you need is just an iPhone or an iPad and you connect together. And I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna have a blast. So, but that's pretty much included our video for today. If you guys like the video, feel free to give a thumbs up and a like. That's gonna help out the channel a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Other than that, it's Sunday. Thank you for watching all the way through the end. Have a safe Sunday. Be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.